and I'm going to videotape my brother Levi, and he's going to sing Payphone. It's not wanting to work.
I know it's hard to remember people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it. But is it too late to try? And in our time that you wasted, all of our bridges burned out. I wasted my life, you turn out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where our time's gone, baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Never after that exist. I wish to be holding you like this. And all those fairy tales are full of shit. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. Now I'm at a payphone, not going tomorrow. 'Cause you forgot yesterday. I gave you my love to borrow, but you just gave it away. You can't expect me to be fine. I don't expect you to care. And I'm knowing all of our bridges burned down. You wasted my life. You turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where are the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all those fairy tales are full of shit. My fucking love song, I'll be sick. Now I'm out of payphone, make some fish. Oh yeah, spending another money while sitting around wondering why wasn't you came up 90 minutes from the bottom. Now when you see me outside, and all of my cars know where the picture goes from. When you're out in the chairs and blew out whatever you call it. Every number from the phone, you never could call it. When you're on telling him what a shame because you got picked. Had a really good game, but you missed your last shot. So you talk about Lucy at the top. What you could have saw. Say it's so full. Valet, open doors. Never got what she was looking for. Now it's me who wants you. You can go take that little shit piece with you. Payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Girl, it's gone, baby. It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? After it exists, I will still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song, I'll be sick. Now I'm at a payphone. Call me.
Don't even know your number.
Exactly.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
We outside where it's very cold.
Literally.